Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you? I am Zoeb and you are watching ZB Association YouTube channels. So viewers, in this video we will discuss Transportation Engineering Lab number 10. Determinations the California bearing ratio CBRs of given soil samples. Okay, let's start our today lectures. First of all, designations numbers. So in designation numbers IS 270 part 16, and after this scope of this test. So what scope of this test uses of, in other words, we also uses of this test experiments. This test is used to determine the California bearing ratio test by using given soil sample. It is a penetration test developed by California State Highway Department of USA for evaluating the bearing capacity of subgrade soil for design of flexible pavements. Tests are carried out the natural compacted soils of water soaked or UN soaked conditions. That the results so obtained are compacted with the curves of standards test to have an idea of the soil strength of an sugars. After the significant and uses of these experiments, first of all, the CBR California bearing ratio test is one of the most commonly method to evaluate strength of a subgrade soils, subbase, subcoarse materials for designing of thickness for highway and airfield pavements. This method is most widely used method for the design of flexible pavement. This is instructions cover the laboratory method for the determinations of CBRs of undistributions and remolded compaction soil specimens both in the soaked as well unsoaked states. Right? After this, go on as related theory that's very important in these experiments. What is California bearing ratio test? California bearing ratio is the ratio of force per unit area required to penetrate into a soil's mass with the circular plungers of 50 mm diameter at the rate of 1.25 mm per minute. Mathematically, it can be expressed as CBR is equal to P over PS multiplied by 100. P is equal to pressure method on site soils in Newton per millimeter squares. PS is equal to pressure to achieve equal penetrations on standard soil. After this, what is the California bearing ratio values for subgrade? So these are limitations used in a subgrade of the roads. A clay soils generally has a low CBR values less than 8 cents or more granular and drain better, and will generally have CBR value between 1 to 35. Gravels has the best CBR value generally to 25 and up. That is why it is suggested to save the best materials to cup the subgrade. What is good CBR result? A value 2% equates the clay, while some sands may have a CBR value of 10%. High quality subbase will have a values of between 80 to 100 maximum. The CBR test is carried out on soils with a maximum particle size of 20 millimeters. Right? Operators used in these experiments. First, loading machine capacity 5000 kg, which can operated at a constant rate of 1.25 mm per minute. Cylinders mold of 1.5 mm diameter. This is a basic characteristics of this loading machines. And second is collar. Height of collar is 175 mm, mold internal diameter is 150 mm, and height and Okay, and after this slotted weight 2.5 kg plunger, 5 millimeter dia. These are the characteristics of these apparatus. Compaction rammers, filter papers. And after 6 apparatus used in the experiment: weighing balance, trowel, spatula, weighing cylinder and bowl, right? And this is a dimension for machines that you use in experiment. CBR apparatus, this is a CBR apparatus. And after this this is a figure of mold, and this is a CBR test in a field. Okay, let's go on a procedure of this experiment. First of all, sample preparations. The first step, the test specimens can be prepared by either static compactions, dynamic compactions. First, static compactions: compaction soil in loading machine, gradually increasing load, and dynamic compactions, compacting soils by specific rammers impact load. In light compactions, mold is filling in 3 layers using 2.6 kg rammers with a free fall of 31 cm to 56 numbers of blows for each layer. In heavy compactions of specimen is compacted in 5 layers using 4.89 kg rammers with 45 cm, 556 numbers of blows for each layer, right? And after dynamic compaction, so these are table shows on a screens numbers of layers: light compaction for 3 layers and heavy compaction 5 layers. For rammer weights used for light compaction 2.6 kg, for heavy compactions 4.89, and fallen height is 31 for light compactions and 45 meters for centimeter for heavy compactions. Okay, first assemble these spacers: threaded side bottom, the blaze plate, filter paper top of it, applying lubricating oil inner side of mold. This is done for avoiding stickiness of mold after the fixing the collar tight the clamp. Take 5 kg of soil, passing 20 mm sieves. The soil is mixed in per determined quantities of water, such as the water content of soils is equal to OMC or either field moisture content. And 6th step, mix the waters and soil. Put the soil in mold and compactions of soil in different layers. By using lightweight rammers, compacting the soil in uniform, spread the area. Fill the mold with 3 layers. Each layer 56 blows. Remove the collars and trim the top surface. Weight the sample with soil. Place the filter papers on base plate and place the compacted soil on lower side, and put the mass weight 2.5 kg in mold and top side. Right? After this, adjust the assembly pedestals of loading machine setup, providing ring dial gauge. Fix the assembly and put plunger on top side and mold, applying a sitting load using 4 kg ball to distribute weight gradually. This is best contact with the soil and plunges, right? And then penetration test. After molding to penetration test, adjust the dial gauge or to 0. Allow the plunger to penetrate 1.5 to 5 mm. Note down the reading to on providing ring. Compute CBR value. Test loading corresponding to choose penetrate standard load samples penetrations, multiply by 100. Right? Observation and calculations. So you show on a tables on a screen. This is observations. Penetrations, unit load and total load. So viewers, tell me how this video. If this video is good, like and subscribe, like and comment on these videos. If any person who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel and click bell icon for new notifications. Thanks for watching.